China's most advanced stealth fighter, the Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon, has entered a transformative new phase with the integration of the powerful WS-15 turbofan engine, a fully indigenous propulsion system that elevates the aircraft's performance, range, and stealth capabilities to unprecedented levels. After years of research, testing, and incremental development, Chinese engineers have finally achieved what military analysts are calling a defining milestone in the nation's pursuit of aerospace independence. The WS-15 engine not only replaces the Russian-supplied AL-31 and earlier WS-10C variants but also delivers a dramatic improvement in speed, maneuverability, and stealth efficiency, factors that could significantly alter the air power balance across the Indo-Pacific region. Reports from Chinese defense outlets and open-source intelligence imagery have confirmed that the WS-15 engine has now been installed in several operational J-20 units under the People's Liberation Army Air Force, PLAAF. Early test flights indicate that the engine provides superior thrust-to-weight performance, allowing the J-20 to achieve supercruise, the ability to maintain supersonic flight without using fuel-hungry afterburners. This capability, long considered a hallmark of fifth-generation fighters like the US F-22 Raptor, enhances both range and endurance while keeping the aircraft's infrared signature remarkably low. The result is a stealth jet that can patrol farther, strike deeper, and evade detection more effectively than ever before. Beyond sheer power, the WS-15 engine incorporates cutting-edge materials and thermodynamic design improvements that enable higher operating temperatures and greater fuel efficiency. The engine's advanced cooling systems and composite turbine blades are believed to match or even exceed some Western propulsion standards, signaling that China's aerospace sector has entered a new era of maturity. Engineers have reportedly reduced the radar cross-section of the exhaust nozzles and optimized the engine's acoustic signature, further boosting stealth characteristics. These refinements make the J-20 not only faster and more agile but also far more difficult to track by radar and infrared sensors, particularly during high-altitude interception or deep-strike missions. Strategically, the WS-15 upgrade carries profound implications for China's military posture. With greater range and fuel efficiency, J-20 fighters can now operate over vast maritime distances, extending PLAAF patrols and quick reaction coverage well into the South China Sea, East China Sea, and even areas near Taiwan and Japan. The aircraft's enhanced payload capacity also allows for the integration of heavier air-to-air and precision strike weaponry, as well as next-generation radar and data link systems that could enable cooperative engagement with drones and other networked platforms. Analysts suggest that the J-20, paired with advanced command and control systems, could serve as a cornerstone for China's future air dominance strategy. From an industrial perspective, the WS-15's successful deployment represents the culmination of over 2 decades of work by the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation and Shenyang Engine Design Institute. China has long struggled with the complexities of building reliable, high-thrust turbofan engines, a domain dominated for decades by the US, Russia, and select European nations. The fact that the J-20 is now powered by a domestically built engine signals a decisive step towards self-sufficiency in one of the most technologically demanding areas of defense manufacturing. It also opens the door for further J-20 variants, including a rumored twin-seat version designed for electronic warfare or drone control missions, and potentially a carrier-capable adaptation for the Chinese Navy's next-generation aircraft carriers. International observers are watching the development closely. US defense officials have acknowledged the J-20's progress as a sign of China's rapidly evolving military-industrial base, with implications for regional deterrence and the future balance of power. As the aircraft transitions into a fully operational fifth-generation fighter powered entirely by domestic technology, it cements its place not merely as a showpiece of Chinese innovation but as a genuine combat-ready platform capable of challenging Western air superiority in contested environments. With the WS-15 engine now entering full production and integration, the J-20 stands as a symbol of China's technological ascendancy and strategic ambition. What began as an ambitious project to rival the world's leading stealth fighters has now matured into a formidable weapon system, one that embodies the country's determination to achieve parity, and perhaps even dominance, in the realm of modern air warfare. As the mighty dragon spreads its wings with newfound power, the skies over Asia may never be the same again.